Freedom. What does it mean to you? Have you ever thought about it? To step outside of your comfort zone and break all your limits. To step into the unknown alone, but with courage. Or to create, so you can finally be yourself. When life is just an empty canvas and it's all on you, what will you paint on it? Or is it a question? Are you ready to live your life? You are just a small drop in the ocean, but what you have learned will stay with you forever. To fly above the clouds and beyond. To love freely, unconditionally, with all of your heart, through a lifetime. Freedom is the biggest treasure. You can experience all of that with the Smooth-Q2, the newest full stabilizer from Zhiyun. The Q2 is compact so you can bring it anywhere with you. Thanks to its easy assembly and ergonomic design, it is comfortable to hold. It even charges your phone while being used. If you are a true vlogger, then it will be your most loyal companion. With the 17-hour battery life, you can even take it with you for long hikes. You can turn on the device with a simple gesture. If you pair the gimbal with your phone, then with the help of the application you can create stunning time-lapse footages. It is the perfect choice for people having an active social media presence. This is the first gimbal made for phones that has all of these features together. With the joystick you can easily control the stabilizer. You can choose the PF, F, L, POV and the unique V mode, which lets you create 360 barrel roll footages. In the application you can find the object tracking, which is useful for most outside activities. And when there is no one else to help you record that very important moment. But don't worry, I will be there for you. You can count on me. I want that freedom too, but I'm still waiting for the one. A traveler, perhaps, an artist, or a student. Oh, it's all the same. Because with me, everyone can be a filmmaker.